Well, De.mem stands for decentralized membranes. So the name tells you there is two parts to our business. We use innovative membrane technology, which we've developed out of our facility in Singapore for decentralized water and wastewater treatment applications. Decentralized means we go on a very flexible basis, often with containerized plug-and-play type plants to the customer's location and treat the water at the site. And then specifically, we provide a service to our customer base. We help them with everything related to their water and wastewater treatment needs, provide like a full one-stop shop solution for industrial customers. Well, the main focus of our business is on industrial customers. So we rarely deal with municipalities, mostly focus on industrial customers, which allows us to build key accounts, strong customer relationships that help us to sell our wider product and services range. And within the industrial segment, well, we're predominantly at this stage in Australia. So our customer focus to some extent follows the Australian economy. We have a lot of mining and resources customers, a lot of industrials from the food and beverage and agricultural segments, and then plenty of others from different segments such as hotels and resorts, heavy industrial manufacturing, and so on. Well, the organic growth, that's obviously the focus of our business, and that's driven by our unique membrane technology, which allows us to build strong customer relationships, to go deep into our industrial customer base. And then the strategy to use small bolt-on acquisitions to add to that growth, that worked out very well for us over the past few years. It's based on us observing like an industry within water treatment that's extremely traditional. You have very strong ties between customers and suppliers, and sometimes it's difficult to get into new customer relationships. And that's why that model to acquire small companies, established companies with an established customer base has worked out extremely well for us, because we are able then to bring in our technology, our innovative products, and our products and services range, which is wider than what most of our competitors can offer. And that has really added to our growth and helps us to accelerate that overall top-line growth. It's extremely fragmented now. So in the decentralized water treatment space, where it's about flexible, smaller containerized solutions and related products, you're looking at an industry that's ultra fragmented. So you look at a lot of smaller family-owned businesses, which are either regional or product focused or limited in resources. And so that's led to an industry structure which is ultra fragmented. We find plenty of opportunities there out of succession or retirement matters. We're looking at a continuous flow of opportunities for small bolt-on acquisitions, which allows us to select the ones which we think fit best into our business. So the strategy to move that business from projects about 5 or 6 years ago towards the service side and the recurring revenue side, that's really been the key strategy, the key element of our strategy over these years. So, well, water treatment by nature is an industry which is predominantly projects-based, because companies or municipalities, they build new water treatment plants, which results in projects. We've tried to convert that into like a recurring revenue type model by offering like a service component to our projects. So for example, once we engage into a project, we try to offer or sell like a service contract to our customers, which allows us to sent water treatment plant operators to site, and then over the years to record recurring service revenues. Or alternatively, we've also used a build-on-operate model, where we've actually offered customers to lease out the water treatment facilities under, for example, a minimum 5-year or minimum 10-year contract. And the other aspect for us was to add to our product offering in a sense that we wanted to offer recurring nature type products such as water treatment chemicals to our customers as well. And so that's how we've built De.mem over the past few years. For example, we've acquired a company out of Perth which is able to blend water treatment chemicals such as antiscalants, corrosion inhibitors, other process chemicals. And that has really helped us to transform our business model from about 38% in recurring revenues in 5 years ago in 2018 to approximately 90% recurring revenues in the past calendar year 2023. The focus has always and strongly been on profitability. The move towards the recurring revenues that added towards the increase in bottom line profitability in a sense as it has increased our margins. And then the acquisition strategy, adding profitable businesses through these small bolt-on acquisitions that added to the profitability as well, because we always brought EBIT or profitable businesses into De.mem. And so if you look at the numbers in our annual report, you would find that we've increased our adjusted EBITDA from approximately -3 million in 2021 to -2 million in calendar year 2022. And in calendar year 2023, in the last period, we came in with a reduced EBITDA loss of about -$750,000. So we are at a point where we are about to break even. And with the new acquisition of Border Pump Works that we've recently announced in April 2024, and also the new initiative around our domestic membrane products, this will further add to the profitability, and we see our company in a very good position to achieving that milestone in the near-term future.